Standing right under you. We're gonna work as a team, alright?
You say so.
We're gonna stay within shooting distance of each other.
You're gonna push niggas.
Oops. My bad. I'm good on shields. You pushing?
Wow, you're on top of the house.
Don't f me when I got attacked, boy.
Hurry, dude, hurry.
He's spectating me.
Hurry, dude.
He's right here. I hear him walking around. There's a medkit behind me. There's a medkit behind me. It might be on top of the roof again. We're in such a bad position right now. Yeah, he's right here. He's dead. These other one's dead too. Blue pump right here if you want it.
Got one.
I'm out of fucking mats, Hardy. You have any extra?
Now I'm at 49 total.
49 total? Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Push me. And then just touch me. Till I can get my
satisfaction.
Satisfaction. Push me. I got a deagle too. You gonna carry those nades?
Yep.
There's someone here as well. Oh my Jesus, boy. Your boy found himself a blue tack. I hear him in here, bro. They have tacks. Sounds to me like they have the high ground. Woo! Tech's been doing work for me, bro. Babe Nation, baby. You wanna grab that, whatever you call it? Here's some shields, by the way. You got bandies?
Nope.
This guy had 2 rifts to go, bro. Well, this is a high kill game right here. Just whenever you're ready. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
We don't even have mats, though. Doesn't matter? Ready?
See some extra shield.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
go check out Pleasant, Leaky. Oh yeah, definitely right there. You see him. This freaking deagle is amazing, bro. Gotta med up real quick.
There's a purple scar out here.
I have one. Oh, this is one of those nice ones. Nah. Do you have a scar?
Yeah.
You wanna go again?
Let me get these chips. There's no hot pot here, dude.
Thank God. Dude, those deagles put in work, bro. You seen that? You're just taking them down, like. Oh, what the? That was weird. It like deployed the vertigo. You ready?
You have regular ammo?
Yeah, here. Whoa, I almost gave you all of it. Alright! Ah, feels better when you're warmed up. Where'd you see him, box?
From left
Oh,
to
I
right,
see him.
right
Yeah,
here,
I
look.
see him northeast. Oh yeah, it's a duo. See if we can take him on. They're gonna start shooting at me right now, though.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Dank ist du verkehrt. Dragonborn!
What?
Got you, bro. I got you, bro.
He was dead already, but he was still shooting me.
Yeah.
What?
Yo, boy is destroying these guys right now, bro. Grab that blue tag, bro. This tech is putting in so much work today. Oh my lord.
Not really. I don't like the tech.
Are you kidding me, dude? All you gotta do is just do little bunny hops, and you just get that headshot.
Let me get those bandies.
Yeah, go ahead, dude. Here, actually take these two. Actually, you have shield. How the hell do you have shield?
That's what I want to know. I didn't use any. Huh?
Okay, so we have to play a little smarter now, just because can't really go down. All I'm using is Scar, Deagle, tack. You can't really jump down unless you have a jump pad.
I see fighting
Where?
the edge of fucking Loot Lake.
Let's go.
Trying to.
You're like way ahead of you.
Fuck
It's been a while since I've done these ramps, bro. It's been quite some time, mate.
Ooh, scrim? Scrim?
Is it-
Fucking
oh
doing the
my
houses,
gosh,
dude.
you're right, bro. Looks like a freaking scrim going on over here. We're gonna have to come in with ARs and then push in with the deagles.
Oh no.
Hit him for 50 on the machine. Go ahead, put pressure, put pressure. Watch out, don't get sniped, don't get sniped. Can't even see from this far, bro. Hold on, don't push too heavy yet.
Hey, what happened?
Or what did I just tell you?
Okay. Yeah, give me a kill.
He's down.
One more. He's coming up. He's coming up.
Bro, I'm destroying right now. I'm at 9 kills. I have an OP layout right now. Dun 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 dun. We got a campfire popping.
Oh, Porter Rift as well.
I got one right now. I got 6 minis on me, bro.
Yeah, I have a med kit.
Can you, if you can carry those rifts to go, I can pop this campfire so you don't have to use that.
I'm gonna use it. I want the half pot.
Alright, fine.
Ooh.
Only because you asked. There's a.
You know your rockets.
I have 6. Where are we getting? Or is that us getting shot at?
No.
You gonna carry those rifts to go?
Give me the rockets.
Here you go, boss.
Hey, take these two. The babies.
Trying to get this trap. Okay, cool. Where are those minis?
Left
Alright,
over.
let's rift to go. I see them from here. I can see them from here. They should be southwest. You see them? Come on, come on, come on.
On top of the mountain.
Yeah, yeah, we gotta push hard. We gotta push hard. Good job, mate. Where'd they go? Oh, yeah, we still have people down there. Southeast.
Yeah, but it's at the storm edge.
Honestly, don't care right now.
I hear him east.
Oh my god, I forgot. Was that you, bro? Appreciate it, man. Appreciate that. I totally forgot about the redeployment right there, dude. I just dropped like if it was nobody's business. Oh, I see enemies right here. They're north 14.
Watch my right.
I got you. Please don't get sniped, bro. Can't tell where you're getting sniped from. You have You have a rift to go?
They're using no. They're using.
Do you have a rift to go?
No.
Damn it.
They just need to go out here.
I'm going this way to the left. See a chest right here, hopefully. Damn it, no phone. Okay, I'm separating to the left. Let me see if I can tag the one on that gun. I'm just getting blank hits. How is there still 9 people left?
I don't don't know.
Like, didn't we just kill a team?
Watch out low, watch out low.
He boogie bombed me.
I hit him for 30.
He's dead, bro. GG's. Good place.
Got that one.
Good place. I'm
More
medding up real
sniper.
quick.
They're still watching me. Probably because it was trap.
I don't have eyes anywhere. Make sure everything's reloaded.
I think there's people east possibly. They're in the hut. Yeah, they're right here. East, east, east. Behind these trees lines.
Watch out, bro. Hit him for 54. Not getting any tags, bro. He's in the storm.
He died.
Ah, silly goose. Tricks are for kids. One left. Watch this guy just totally pulverize us. What's crazy is we're not even in the circle yet. Little friend.
Act like you don't see him. Act like you don't see him.
I don't.
He's right here.
Oh my gosh. Thing's glitching again. Oh my lord. What? My boy clutched it?
What?